Are you facing challenges right now? Sometimes, life can throw unexpected obstacles our way, making it hard to stay motivated. To help you through tough times, here are 5 motivational quotes with short explanations to inspire and encourage you. The only way out is through. You must face and work through your problems to overcome them. Hardships often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Meaning, challenges can lead to personal growth and remarkable achievements. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Meaning, problems can reveal new chances for success and improvement. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Meaning, your inner strength is more powerful than past or future challenges. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Peter Drucker. Meaning, take control and shape your destiny despite difficulties. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Oprah Winfrey. Meaning, learn and grow from your painful experiences. It always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela. Meaning, challenges may appear unbeatable, but they can be conquered. You may have to fight a battle more than once to win it. Margaret Thatcher. Meaning, keep trying until you succeed. Out of difficulties grow miracles. Jean de la Bruyere. Meaning, amazing outcomes can arise from tough situations. When you come to the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Meaning, stay strong and don't give up, even when things seem hopeless. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Meaning, keep moving forward regardless of successes or failures. Difficulties in life are intended to make us better, not bitter. Dan Reeves. Meaning, challenges should improve us, not make us resentful. Do not be embarrassed by your failures. Learn from them and start again. Richard Branson. Meaning, use failures as lessons and continue pursuing your goals. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Robert H. Schuller. Meaning, difficult periods will pass, but strong people endure. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Meaning, stay persistent and keep moving forward, regardless of time. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Meaning, doubts can hold us back from achieving our future goals. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. Vince Lombardi. Meaning, what matters is your ability to rise after setbacks. Perseverance is failing 19 times and succeeding the 20th. Julie Andrews. Meaning, keep trying even after multiple failures. Challenges are what make life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Joshua J. Marine. Meaning, facing and conquering challenges brings purpose to life. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. Meaning, remember your initial motivation to stay focused. Strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Meaning, difficulties build true strength. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Meaning, strong determination can overcome failure. The greater the obstacle, the more glory in overcoming it. Molière. Meaning, bigger challenges lead to greater achievements. Success is how high you bounce when you hit bottom. George S. Patton. Meaning, true success is measured by how well you recover from failures. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. Meaning, it's never too late to pursue new goals and dreams. It's not the load that breaks you down, it's the way you carry it. Lou Holtz. Meaning, how you handle challenges is more important than the challenges themselves. The difference between stumbling blocks and stepping stones is how you use them. Meaning, obstacles can either hinder you or help you, depending on your perspective. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Meaning, today's struggles will build your strength for the future. I hope these motivational quotes and their meanings have inspired you to face your challenges head-on and keep moving forward. If you found these quotes helpful, subscribe for more inspiration and support on your journey to success.